back to the 2020 season. It's January, we're on Lake Superior, a little bit of ice, but not too bad. Hopefully it's going to be a good day. Stick around, make sure to hit the subscribe for your newest content, and smash that like. Just a little bit of ice to get through. Just getting set up here. 16 feet of water. Water temperature is 29 degrees right now. It might even change because it's in my hull today. I don't like hanging it off to the side because it causes drag. For starters, I'm just going to go right next to the shoreline, probably about 20 feet. Just getting my lines out right now. I'm going to let a little bit out more on this one, but I think we're going to try the shoreline close to it. I'm in 20 feet of water right on the outside of this ice here. I might try going out a little bit deeper here. Ooh, I think I just had a hit. I think I just missed it. Fish on! Ooh. This thing feels like a pit. Fish on here. This doesn't feel like a coho. I'm not sure what this is. It's pulling me. I'm kind of excited to get this one up here. Wow. Oh, this thing is pulling me here. There's my torpedo weight. Oh wow, I don't know what this is, but it's giving me a fight. Oh no, 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 no. Oh, I still have it. I still have it. We're still good. Whoa. It's holding me down. Like I mean, I could probably force it if I really wanted to, but. Wow! It is a huge lake trout. And it's pulling me now. Wow! This thing is massive. Whoa! Wow! Oh no 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 no! I'm gonna lose it. I need to loosen my drag. Wow! Whoa! I need to fix my drag here quick. Oh, I'm tangled up on my other line here too. Wow, I got a mess going on. I don't even know if I can get this thing in the net here. Oh no, it's too loose. Oh. I don't know what's wrong with this drag right now. This thing is massive. Oh, I don't know what's wrong with the drag. I'm just gonna have to net him in. It's not reeling yet even. There we go. All right, I need to get this thing off here. This is all wrapped around here. All right, come on, boy. We got a mess, but as long as I land it, I do not mind. Oh, he's not gonna come up. He is not gonna come up. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's not good. Oh, I can't even get him in my net here. I'm gonna have to just grab him. Oh shit. This thing is as big as my kayak. I don't even know where to begin with this thing. This is the biggest lake trout I've ever caught in my life. This thing is massive. Alright, we need to get the net out of here. Alright, he's unhooked now. Alright, I'm gonna measure him here. I have and I'm just doing this rough here. He is 38 inches long. That is what we're after today. Look at that. Massive lake trout. Biggest one I've ever caught in my life. Let's get this line out, get a picture, and get him unhooked back into the water here. Whoa! One more look at this. This is why I come out here on a kayak. Massive lake trout. This thing is massive. For the release. Oh, it's got a tag on it too. I didn't see that. All right, let's get it back in the water. Let's get him on the release here. All right. Wow. I'm still shaken up about it. What a fight. What a rush. Biggest lake trout I've ever caught in my life. Come on, buddy. I'll just let him, my hand's cold. Took right off to the bottom. Yes! Yes! Woo! Oh my gosh. Covered in slime. We better get back. I got a mess going here. I don't know where to even begin. Hi, Corey. Is this Corey?
Yes, it is.
This is Tyler. I was calling about that lake trout.
Oh yeah. Hey, how you doing, man?
Pretty good. How about yourself?
Good to hear from you. So I talked to other folks on Lake Superior. It was a Wisconsin tagged lake trout. It was tagged on May 14th, 2018. During our spring assessment, we have a lake-wide spring lake trout assessment. We look for sea lamprey wounding rates and also population abundance trends. So it's a lake-wide effort from, Minnesota DNR, Michigan DNR, Wisconsin DNR, and then a bunch of the tribes and bands around Lake Superior as well.
Sure.
So they tagged it, released it near the Brule River back in May 2018. Back then it measured just over 40 inches, 40.1 inches, and it was almost 22 pounds.
Well, I must have been measuring it wrong then if it was 38, but that's kind of hard to do in a kayak when you're with a thing.
I imagine it was probably like a lynx in a backpack at that point,
Yeah, it was good size. Well, that was exciting. So I did the right thing. Take a picture, video, whatever, leave the tag in. That's what he said at the end. The GoPro shut off. But imagine that. Watch, will turn off now. But anyways, yeah. So that's what he said. That was really cool, responsive. That was in a matter of a couple hours he got back to me. I thought really it was going to be days or whatever, but exciting. Well, let's see if we can get another one this year. And thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for your latest videos and smash that like. We'll catch you next time.